In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on the Notifications and Status bar. Then click on App Notifications here. And before doing anything, tap on Search for Apps and input name of any app you wanna manage. Or click on Sort By and pick one of those options. You can sort them by time of received notifications, by numbers of notifications. You can see apps that have notifications enabled, or ones with notifications already blocked. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any of your apps on the left, and this way not only manage notifications by turning them off or on at the top, but also check out all of those notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!